This video shows how to buy shares of Close Brothers Group PLC. Close Brothers is a UK merchant banking and specialist lending group. It is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker CBG.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document. You will also need to add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CBG.L. Select the entry for Close Brothers Group PLC on the LSE. Double-check the market and ticker to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the recent price chart. Confirm the listing shows Close Brothers Group PLC with ticker CBG.L on LSE PLC. Verify the basic trading details before proceeding. To place an order, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose the order type. Carefully review the order details and then confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For a step-by-step link to eToro, I have included the URL in the description below.